Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of ClF4 plus ion. For drawing the Lewis structure, let's count the total number of valence electrons. We have one chlorine atom having 7 valence electrons, 4 fluorine atoms having 7 valence electrons, and this positive charge represents loss of an additional electron. Now that gives us a total of 34 valence electrons. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place chlorine in the center and arrange fluorine atoms around it, and then place a pair of electrons in between each atom for bond formation. Now each fluorine needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we'll assign 6 to each one of them. We are still left with 2 more that we will assign to chlorine atom as it can form an expanded octet. Now ClF4 plus is an ion, so we'll enclose it within a bracket. This is the final Lewis structure of ClF4 plus. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.